Hey guys, it's Melissa. In this video, we are going to do our first textured or 3D print on the EufyMake E1. Now, my philosophy is always to start with the basics, which we did when we printed this totally flat one. Now we are going to add dimension. Same design, just add texture and dimension to one of the layers. I'm going to show you not only exactly how to do this, but when the flat one took 3 minutes and 30 seconds to print, you will not believe how long this one took. So just you need to be aware of how long it takes to print raised, elevated, textured 3D, whatever you want to call it, UV prints. The end result, totally worth it, but it takes a significantly longer time. All right, let me show you exactly how to do this in the EufyMake Studio software.
Okay, so this is the exact same design that I did in the first print, first UV DTF print. And now what I'm going to do is just give you one more step up, one more advantage or option for you if you want to get the 3D look. So I want to show you, the first time you probably saw when we went through, I said, we're just going to do flat. We're not going to worry about anything else. So this is flat. As you can see, the print area for both says flat. Now let's say we want to elevate this to give it some texture. So what we're going to do is select the layer that we want to texturize. And what we're going to see how it says flat raised? That's what we are going to change. We're just going to click flat raised. And now what we have, you can see this little option, this little preview here, it's going to raise up just the selected part. So how do you want it raised? Do you want the color? Do you want the gloss on top of it? We're not going to do foil stamping, so I'm just going to leave color raised for right now, and then you can adjust how high you want it. Now, just keep in mind, and I'm going to show you this in a minute, the higher the level, the higher the thickness, or the thicker the higher the thickness you have set here, the longer it's going to take, just because the texture and the thickness is created by multiple layers of the ink on top of it itself. Okay, so it just has to print more when you have layers. So once you have established that you want that to be raised, now do you see the difference here? The white is going to be, or white and CMYK, this second bottom level here, are flat, and this top layer here are raised. That is literally the only difference that we have when we are going to do this second print. So what you can see here is that when you add texture to even just one layer, it significantly adds to the print time. And that's because the texture is created by a buildup of layers of that ink or gloss, or basically. So when it's flat, you just need, the one or two layers, but when you have texture to it, you need to put layer after layer after layer, which just adds the amount of time that the print head needs to continue printing back and forth. The end result is very good, but just be aware that it is going to significantly add to your time. This one was over 18 minutes for the same print, when the flat print was under 5 minutes.
And don't forget, guys, if you're looking for one-on-one support, same day, personalized help, I offer all of that, not only for the EufyMake, but also for all of the other machines that you see in my studio. All of that is through Silhouette U. I offer it through chat. We have a member-only Facebook group, a member-only email. You can email as a member of Silhouette U, and I will get back to you same day, so you don't get stuck in the middle of your projects, because how frustrating is that? All of the information below. Make sure you use the code YouTube to get 50% off your first payment. And even if you don't want to join Silhouette U, please hit the thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel. It really helps get the videos out, and see you guys soon.